I'm about to reverse it.
It's probably gonna fall.
Yeah.
Honestly. It might stay though. We'll try it.
Should stay. Once I put it in the drive, it'll go forward.
Hey you guys, we are headed to Pennsylvania. We did a video earlier when we left Knoxville, but I feel like it didn't really go that smoothly, honestly. I feel like I was rambling and nothing made sense. So I wanted to do another video just explaining what we're doing, where we're going, all the fun things. We are actually headed to Pennsylvania right now. We got a really late start, like a really late start actually. We didn't pack until this morning, and Daniel cleaned the kitchen and the bathroom and the bedroom and all that stuff while I ran to get dog food because we were out of dog food, and my mom is staying with Wednesday, our dog. So I had to get that and some paper towels and just all the things. So we were late packing, late getting on the road, had a million projects to do in the car. We did stop by Starbucks and Buc-ee's, which I will probably add that clip while we were at Buc-ee because we did record a little bit of that. Because I feel like I didn't give enough information. Where are we headed?
We're going to Buc-ee's.
Buc-ee's.
Well, New York.
Well, yeah, we are headed to New York, but right now we're going in Buc-ee's.
Sevierville. Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge.
Sevierville.
We're the southern, it's like southern Disney World.
Southern Disney World. I don't think I've ever seen a Buc-ee's so empty.
I wish they had fountain pop that was actually like real fountain pop, because all their oh wait, no, yeah, they have it. There. Take it from the back.
What did you get? What kind of gummies?
Strawberry.
Strawberry Sour Patch. These are amazing. But yeah, we got some chips and things like that. But we are headed to Pennsylvania tonight. We're gonna stay because I have like a business meeting tomorrow morning, and then after that we're headed to New York. So that'll be fun. We're gonna go to the garment district. There's a fabric shop that I want to look at. I think that they might have some really cool fabric for some leotards. And yeah, so we're just going to take you guys along for the ride.
Sorry, did your parents ever say that light?
That you can't, oh yeah. If you turn that light on, the cops are pulling you over. Immediately. Yeah, it's saying that we are going to arrive at 10:12, and we're trying to figure out what we want to do for dinner. Pretty much everything's going to be closed.
I warned you of this 3 hours ago and you did not make a decision.
He did warn me, and I did not make a decision. I think the plan is to get food, get to the hotel, and work. Yeah, we actually have to work. I have stuff that I have to do. He has stuff that he has to do. So yeah, work, go to sleep, and back up. We have to be do what?
On a Tuesday.
We finally made it. I don't know what time it is. I think it's almost 11. She said to the right. we finally made it to the hotel. It is 11:04. We stopped by McDonald's because it was really late, and we just ate, and we had work to do, but I think we're both just really tired, so we're probably just going to go to bed. We have to get up in the morning. I have a meeting. I think we have to be there between 11 and 12 in the morning, and we are looking for a new manufacturer. We already have 2 manufacturers that we work with, and absolutely love them. Love the production team. Just amazing people. But Leotards is growing, and that is it's a really big blessing from God. So when businesses grow, you need extra hands. So we are going to tour the place tomorrow and see what happens, and hopefully I can take you guys inside with us. I'm not really sure, but we'll try to get a few clips, and after that then I think we'll probably drive around a little bit to see Pennsylvania a little bit more in the daytime, and then after that we're headed to New York. So we will see you in the morning.